To me, I see everything clear as now. 2 in the beast. I don't need
Hey fam, and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Tara Shelter, and y'all, it is time to start the meal prep. Y'all, the meals that I'm making are it's gonna be a taco bowl, which is these ingredients right there. I'm gonna give y'all a close up in a moment, and I'm gonna make cabbage soup, and then I'm gonna make a buffalo chicken salad. So yes, y'all, we're gonna be eating good this first week. And I'm gonna let y'all know, I'm gonna do weekly meal prep so y'all can see what I'm prepping for each week, so y'all can stay on top. And yes, let's get right into it. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and especially if you like the content. Hit that subscribe button, and then also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified each time that I upload a video. For the Mexican bowl, use ground beef, black beans, corn, taco seasoning, and I have brown rice. The cabbage soup, use onion, bell pepper, cabbage of course, sausage and bacon. And we're going to use the cheese to make our burrito, romaine lettuce, buffalo sauce, and a rotisserie chicken that has to be pulled apart. So to start off, I got the ground beef, and you basically want to, of course, take it out the tube and put it in your skillet to begin the browning process. With ground beef, you would definitely want to cook it well done, but at least that's how I prefer. Because it's been, grinded up, I would prefer to definitely cook that all the way through. So I'm just going to place that in the skillet and chop that up as much as I can, so I can put some seasoning on it, and so it can cook thoroughly. And right here I noticed that I didn't think that was enough beef, so I went ahead and added the rest of the roll. For seasoning, I'm adding the McCormick taco seasonings. These are my favorite taco seasonings that I use each time I make tacos. So I add 2 packs of that into the ground beef, and then after I add that, here's the onion powder and some cayenne pepper, give it that extra spice that I like. So, and I'm gonna add some water because I don't want it to, get real dark on one side before I start to mix it in, chop it up more, and just blend it all together. Now I'm gonna cut the sausage, the bell pepper, and the onion, and then I'm gonna chop some of the bacon up and place that in a pan. For the cabbage soup, I put some butter in the pot and let that melt and heat up before I added my veggies to the mix. So I'm adding my veggies, and then I'm gonna put in the chopped bacon that I chopped up. I chopped half of the pack, placed it in there, and just put the sausages on top to, get that going. And right here, of course, I'm cutting the cabbage because we want to go ahead and put the cabbage in the pot so it can cook down. I'm not adding water to this. It's going to be more like a cabbage stir fry instead of actual cabbage soup, because I think my husband said he likes that better. So that's what I'm going for with this dish. Now I'm starting to make my burritos, my cheese burritos. Put the oven on 350. Get you some parchment paper and flip it over because we do not want this to stick. Put some chopped cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna make about 6 of these. And put that in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes, and you'll have some cheese burritos. So now it's time for the rice. I know I was going to do brown rice, but I did not know that was a microwavable package. So I'm using white rice by Mahatma. So I'm cleaning my rice. I boiled my water, and I'm using some olive oil so my rice won't stick together. And y'all, I used 1.5 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. So right here, my husband actually shredded the chicken for me because time was not on my side. And so this is for the buffalo chicken salad. So basically chopping the romaine lettuce up. First I took off all those dead ends and ends that I did not want in there. And here is the buffalo sauce. This is what's going to give my salad, well, our salad, the flavor that it needs and deserves. The finished product for the buffalo chicken salad, I topped it off with some Mexican cheese, and we're going to dress it up with some ranch dressing. Now that the cabbage stir fry is done, I'm now going to put this in these 5 containers. So we will have 5 containers of this for the week. Now it's time to plate one of my favorite dishes, the taco bowl. So I have my cheese, beef, rice, corn, and black beans. I'm going to start off by plating it by using the cheese burritos, placing them in each one of the containers. Then I'm going to add the rice and the ground beef on top of that, and a side of the black beans, and then the corn. Yum, yum, yum. And if you want to add something extra to it, when it's time for you to eat your dinner, just grab you some picante sauce and put it on top, and y'all, that dish is immaculate. I am finally done with those meal preps. Thank God. So like these are 3 of my favorite snacks when I'm trying to lose weight and going on a diet. So I really love these rice cakes, y'all. And these are the skinny pop popcorn. This is one of my favorite popcorn snacks. They are super low in calories and pork skins. These are high in sodium, of course, because it's pork. If you don't eat pork, I wouldn't advise you to eat this, but I like these pork skins. I normally get like the hot, I think it's hot spicy kind, but they only had barbecue, so we're gonna be eating on these. So y'all just stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment in the comment section, and also like and share the video. So thank y'all, I appreciate you and love you. I hope y'all have a great week.
To me, I see everything clear. 2 4 niggas. Don't need